Hey, what's up guys? Today I will show you how to base light effect website CU. So that is very nice website. I hope you like this video. So let's go video. And this is my browser and see this website. This website in here. Clean png. This website name here. You see this very nice png, and that is light png, and everything is light png. Another png show you, but everything light png. That is very nice website. I hope you like it. So, and this is your clean png site logo and all, and this click here, and this is a video show camera. So I'm just click here, right here, wait and see creator. So this is video, nice video, and that is very good video. And you, this is download here. So just click here this option download and wait and see. Just click here and this add. So I'm clicking here this add. So wait and see. That is download just in one click. So that very nice website is another image show you every nice uh, photos. So wait and see. I'm just download send message. So that is your email address and name, and your problem message sent, and this code show this code, type here this option and send button, click here. So this send this problem. Then you just this website visit here. So your interface, that is, then you just click here another big, and I'm just search light effect light effect. This is a light, not light effect show you. I'm ভুল করছিলাম বানাতে this. So that is simple process. So I'm just download this picture. So I'm just click here and I'm just download this. So then click here free download. You see this download here easily. I hope this download here, and no download here. So just click this button, click here. So download. I'm click here, wait and see. I hope download here. Yeah, download. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and like this video, and my channel subscribe. Here is another videos. So bell icon button, click here. So till then, bye bye.